Lisa here, and today I have a Kmart haul for you. I have done so much shopping over the last couple of weeks. It's actually insane. And I've been saving it all up, ready to do some videos, and now that it's actually all together, it's, oh my God, you should see my floor. We'll start with the Kmart bathroom haul first, since that's the title of this video. So I'll get the big bulky things out the way first. Now, for those of you that watch my videos, you'll know that I'm still very undecided as to the style that I'm trying to achieve in my ensuite. Yeah, it's just not coming together. So I think I'm going to stick with the farmhouse sort of look, even though it's a very modern ensuite. I'm just going to add bits of farmhouse decor, or, you know, rustic looking decor, I guess. I don't know. I'm just going to try and make it a little bit more country farmhouse to go in with the rest of the decor of our house. So the first thing I bought was this 3-tiered black wire rack. Now this I plan to use because our ensuite toilet is separate, like our toilet is separate to our ensuite. So I plan to use this in our little toilet room to store extra toilet rolls, some sanitary napkins, and probably a little plant and candle or something to go in the top there. So that's going to go into our toilet, and this was, I think, $15. And like I said, the title, it's all from Kmart, so I don't need to say that. So that's the first big bulky thing. Next, I've already put it together, but it's the industrial 3-tiered shelving, 3-tiered shelving stand, I guess. Now I'm going to be using this in my ensuite as well, on top of my vanity actually. For so long I've been looking for like a tiered, farmhouse looking tiered stand to go on my vanity, and I just can't find one in Australia. Like, I mean, you see them all the time on Pinterest, and you know, there's heaps of them overseas, like in America and places like that, but you just can't get them here. So I'm actually thinking of using this on my vanity to store some products in, maybe some spare hand towels and some decorations as well. So I thought, well, with the wooden and the black, it's kind of bringing in that, even though it's sort of more industrial, but with all the other accessories, I'm thinking it might tie in that more country farmhouse sort of look that I think I'm going for. I'm so undecided. It's mainly because I can't find the decor stuff that I want to fill it, and because it's a modern ensuite, it's really hard to try and get that farmhouse look. So yeah, I'm still working on it, but yeah, so that I plan to use on my vanity. And I think this was, God, was it $20 or $25? I really can't remember how much this was, but I mean, it's all new stock. It's all still in the stores now. So that's that one. The next couple of items I bought for the bathroom, and like I said, I'm bringing in a lot of black into our bathroom because our walls are grey. The wall tiles are pure white, and the floor tiles are like a smoky grey. So I'm bringing in some black elements to give that farmhousey look. Kmart toilet roll holder and the Kmart toilet brush. Now I think these were $6 each, or around about there. They're not a lot, and so they'll go in the actual toilet section. And I know I've got the other stand for toilet rolls as well, but you know what? Every single time I go into that toilet, there's never a toilet roll on there, and it drives me nuts. So this will hold 3 rolls. The other little stand will probably hold another 3 rolls. So I'm sorted. I don't have to, you know, shuffle off the toilet. No, too much information. So yeah, those two. And I also got the matching bin, which I'll show you that as well. That's the matching bin to go with those as well. So they're all gonna go in my toilet room. And that I think was about $6 as well. Okay, the next couple of items I've got 2 of these, just soap dispensers, one for each side, one for my husband's sink, one for mine, and they were maybe $3. Doesn't have the price on here, no. So yeah, again, just to tie in all those black elements. Again, going with the black, I bought 3 of these little canisters with the wooden lids, and I actually bought to store cotton buds, earbuds, and face, what do you call them? The fluffy pads to wipe your face, not the fluffy pads, the facial wipe, not facial wipes. Face pads, cotton pads for your face, cotton pads for your face, yeah. So those were $3 each, and I plan to put those on that tiered stand on my vanity, so they'll come in handy for that. The other thing I picked up was this little black milk pourer, which you can see I'm using as a vase. I just cut off a couple of little stems from one of my other flower arrangements just to see what it would look like. So that again I will probably be using in the tiered stand as a little bit of decoration, and I think that was like $2. I also bought 2 bags of the decorative river stones, and they are going to go in one of the clear vases that I have in my bathroom. Currently it's filled with white rocks, but I just think the black will contrast a little bit nicer with all the black accessories that I'm using now, and I think they were about $2 a bag. The other thing I purchased from Kmart was a couple of these. I bought 2 of these actually. Little black bucket with the brown handle. I mean, if that doesn't scream farmhouse, I don't know what does. So yeah, I think I'm going to bring that sort of farmhousey look to my bathroom. It's probably going to be modern farmhouse when it's at the end of the day. So I bought this, and I think this was about $2, and this is just a little IKEA plant that I plan to put in there, and that's probably going to go on the little toilet stand, or maybe on the tiered stand on the vanity. I also bought quite a few coloured hand towels, just in the colours of our bathroom. So I've got a couple of white ones. Those are a couple of grey face washes. That one's a dark one, and then a couple of light grey hand towels as well. So they were all about $2 or $3 each from the Kmart range. And I mean, all our towels are from Kmart, and I really like them, to be honest. I find them really fluffy. They wash well, they absorb well, they're really thick. I haven't had any problems with the Kmart towels. We tend to buy the bath sheets for ourselves, like as opposed to the actual bath towel, because they're just a bit bigger. But yeah, I just find that they're really quite good quality. So a couple of those just to put in the tiered stands and as decor around my bathroom. The other thing I bought is this little, it's a a metal 3-pot tray set. So it's got like a little black tray with 3 black metal pots. So I mean, that's very farmhousey looking. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that in my bathroom or maybe in my kitchen yet. So I'll just see if I've got a room for it in my bathroom. And I think that was about $6 maybe. One of these black wire baskets with the liner. I have a feeling they're not selling these with the liner anymore. I think they're just selling the ones with the chalkboard label on, because this was sort of just one by itself randomly stuck with all of those. So I have a feeling these might be on their way out, but that was $5 anyway. So yeah, that is it as far as my bathroom haul. Stay tuned, because I'm going to be filming all of these today. I've got it all out, so I'm going to film them all and then try and upload them all over the next few days. And then once I've actually got them in, like all the decor stuff in my bathroom, I'll do like a little maybe clean with me and decorate the bathroom with all the stuff so that you can see how I've actually used it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Click subscribe so you don't miss my next few videos, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.